In today's video, we're going to show you around our home.
A 2014 Tiffin 33AA.
Come on inside. Hi, Pugs. Welcome to our home. It's a 2014 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA, and we like to call her Miss Betty. So this is our living room. When we were shopping, we wanted something that felt family-like, warm, and inviting, so we preferred to go with the L-shaped couch. This goes in and out on travel days and affords you the opportunity to watch TV comfortably. It has a pull-out sofa bed that sleeps two and stores away conveniently. Welcome to my office. I still work full-time while we travel on the road. It was important to me to have the roll-top desk so when I'm done for the day, I can just close it and walk away. And over here you'll find our fireplace. When we were shopping for our RV, it was really important to us to have the fireplace as we travel to chilly areas and cold climate. So it's nice to have that for the ambiance and to take the chill off, and miraculously it does heat the entire coach. Above there you'll see our TV. We have 4 on board, 3 inside and 1 outside. We cut the cord and do complete internet TV. And this is our kitchen. Here's our Berkey for fresh water, and for the most important drink of the day, coffee, we have a bun. Over here, Betty came with a double sink. However, we upgraded to a farm sink with a vendor at Red Bay. And we'll discuss our upgrades in an upcoming video. Next to the sink, we have a 3-burner propane stove. I enjoy using that. I've always preferred gas. Below the 3-burner stove, we had a dishwasher installed. I love it. It makes all the difference in the world for me. And up top here, we have a microwave convection oven. I've cooked full meals in it, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and looking forward to doing Easter dinner on Sunday. And over here, we have a full-size residential refrigerator. Plenty of room for all of our goodies. Down below is the freezer, which holds quite a bit. Off to the right of that, we have tucked in pull-out pantries, which afford us a lot of room for our sauces, syrups, all that good stuff, canned goods. And over here we have 2 more pantries for food storage.
Let's talk about some manly stuff.
Right here is where it goes down, the cockpit of Miss Betty.
Oh no, this is where it really goes down. All the navigation, GPS, booking our stays, looking for harvest host, finding fuel, whatever the co-pilot needs to do, it gets done right here.
Miss Betty is powered by a Cummins 340 horsepower diesel engine hooked to a Allison 2500 transmission. She has a 5,000 pound weight towing capacity.
All of Miss Betty's controls are conveniently located right here on the dash within reach. We have our backup camera there. This is our navigation and radio system. Heater controls, TPMS. On this side we have our hydraulic leveling system. It's a matter of backing Miss Betty into the campsite and hit the button.
Miss Betty also has a 100-gallon fuel tank, which gives us a range of about 1,000 miles. She carries 90 gallons of fresh water, 70 gallons of gray water, and 50 gallons of black water, the poo-poo tank. Miss Betty is equipped with a wine guard in-motion satellite. She has both a gas-fired hot water heater and an electric one. This is our gauge panel here. Tells us all our tank levels. Oops, right now we're full on gray. Miss Betty is equipped with an 8,000 watt generator. And this is the inverter, which is in Magnum series. Has auto gen start, which is good for the dogs. We can set it all different parameters. For if we lose electric at the campground, it'll automatically start, and that way it'll keep our air conditioners running. These are the slide controls for Miss Betty. She is equipped with a 10-gallon Suburban water heater. We really don't have any issues with showers. Sometimes we might have to take a break in between showers, but most of the time we have plenty of hot water. Miss Betty has 2 air conditioners on board. The forward air conditioner controls are right here. She also has 2 heat pumps on those air conditioners, so we can get heat from the AC units down to about 45 degrees. After that, we have to go to our furnaces. She has 2 fantastic fans, one in the dining area, kitchen area, and one in the bathroom.
Okay, and behind this door is our bathroom. I'm going to step in before Randy gives you a little tour. As you can see, there's plenty of room to get everything done that you need to do. Not a lot of space, but just enough. Now we'll venture to the room where the magic happens. Miss Betty came with a queen size mattress. We upgraded to a king size. We purchased our mattress from Mattress Insider. And up top we have plenty of overhead storage, and our closet space is more than adequate. As you can see, we've got our outdoor toys, our vacuum, winter jackets, helmets for our e-bikes, plenty of storage, clothes tucked in the back there. And over here we have an onboard washer and dryer, which is very convenient for me. It was a requirement when we were shopping for our Class A. I do occasionally go to the laundromat to do the blankets. Our electronics are tucked in behind here, and plenty of other drawer space and over the head cabinetry.
She's also equipped with an outdoor television, which makes watching sports games with your favorite cocktail all the better. Miss Betty has fuel fills on both sides of the coach, which makes life very easy when fueling up. This is Miss Betty's wet bay. Miss Betty is about 35 feet long. Her gross combined weight rating is 33,000 pounds. This was another thing that we really wanted when we were searching for our Class A, was to have a coach that was small enough to get into the national and state parks. Okay. We also chose the Class A for the convenience and safety of being able to pull over at night at a Cracker Barrel or Walmart, whatever, and just lock the doors and go to bed. You gotta back up a little bit. You're like up on me, like.
Okay, well, we knew that she was the right fit for us.
We did?
We did.
All right.
Well, I did. Are we ready?
Yeah, do it.
Okay. In today's video, we're going to give you a tour of our Allegro. Try again.
I think that's recording.
The light was blinking at me.
Yeah.
She carries... Shit, I forgot. Hold on, I have to cut that.
Okay. Randy doing his research.
Yeah.
Stop holding the chairs.
I like holding the chairs.
Okay.
Alright. Most of the time, we have plenty of hot water. And I got my hands on the chair again.
This is a full
Cut.
cut.
Alright. It's a
Okay.
full-size residential fridge, in case you're wondering.
Is that what I'm
Yeah.
gonna say? Okay. So over here we have a full-size residential refrigerator, and it's great. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.
It's that thing we keep food in.
Yeah, that's really important. We're food-driven in this family, which you'll, I'm sure, eventually find out.
If you have any questions about Miss Betty that I left out, please feel free to drop them in the comments below.
Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe.